Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 2, that is microorganisms, and today I will deliver its 7th lecture. So my dear students, as you know that we are learning all about different types of microorganisms and how they help us and how they may not help us. So my dear students, today we are discussing about fungi. And let's quickly look at the recap first. Quickly listen to the questions very carefully and then answer them. Give any 2 examples of fungi. Very good. The mushrooms, they are also fungus. Next is, and penicillium. Yeast is unicellular or multicellular? It is multicellular. Very good. So fungi are heterotrophs. Why? Because they cannot prepare their own food and they need energy from other sources. So that is why they are called heterotrophs. Very good. So my dear students, fungus on bread, here you can see कि जब bread जो है, it becomes older, fungus starts growing on it. And then here you can again see कि bread को अगर आप बहुत दिनों तक गर्म जगह पर पड़ा रहने दें, you will not keep it into the fridge. Even when it is inside the fridge, अगर it is very much older, तो fungus जो है वो आपको visibly इसके ऊपर grow होती हुई नजर आती है. And this is bread molding. So my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to identify the main groups of microorganisms and give example for each. So my dear students, क्योंकि हम microorganisms के different groups के बारे में study कर रहे हैं, we have already studied about virus, bacteria and fungi. And today we are going to perform an experiment on fungi. So my dear students, we will learn molding of bread through an experiment. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Allah says in Quran, I swear by what you see and what you do not see. So my dear students, the pre-reading question, quickly answer the question. What is fungi? It is an heterotroph. It could be multicellular or unicellular. It is a microorganism. So can fungi grow anywhere? They usually grow in warm places. And now here is your experiment. Experiment number 3. Quickly open it in your Science 5 books, chapter number 2. I hope everybody has opened the experiment number 3. Let's quickly look what we need to do. Let's quickly first look at the instructions. To observe the growth of some microbes on edible material. So the material that is required is bread, airlock bags and marker. So the procedure is take 3 bread slices. So how many slices we need? We need 3 bread slices. Number them as 1, 2, 3. हम bags को number कर लेंगे. And we also need 3 airlock bags. Use your hands to touch the bread in 3 ways. Rub the slice number 1 with your dirty hands. Rub the slice number 2 with your clean hands. And do not rub anything on slice number 3. So then place the pieces of bread separately in airlock bags. Mark the bags with the significant conditions you applied on the bread. Observe the bread inside the bags on the alternate days. Result and observation. Bread with condition 1 showed growth of fungi rapidly. The bread with condition 2 showed growth of fungi slowly, whereas condition 3 showed no growth of fungi even after many days. So everyday science, take care of edible products at home. These get affected by microorganisms quickly. So my dear students, now let's perform the experiment. So for this experiment, as you know, the instructions material हमें जो required है, we need 3 bread slices, 1, 2 and 3. And we need 3 airlock bags, 1, 2 and 3. First of all, I will number the airlock bags. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. And after that, one by one, I will write down the conditions. Let's first write down the conditions. Dirty hands. Then clean hands. And this will be untouched. So now, first of all, the number 1 with dirty hands. So I will put my right hand everywhere. And now it has germs all over it. And I will rub it on this slice number 1. I will rub it like this, okay? And I will put it inside bag number 1. So because it is airtight, So I will put it inside bag number 1. Close it properly. And then I will do slice number 1, and this hand of mine is totally clean. I will rub it with my left hand. And now I will place it in the bag number 2, which says that it is the bread with clean hands. And I will not rub anything on slice number 3. Properly close it. Nothing on slice number 3. It will remain untouched. And we will lock it into bag number 3. And now I will keep them in the same conditions, and I will keep checking them every day or after every 2 days. And then what we will see that there will be rapid growth on bread number 1 and slow growth on bread number 2, and you will not find any growth on bread number 3. So that means कि जो चीज़ dirty जगह पर रखी हुई होती है, microbes definitely grow on that. Here you can see 1, 2 and 3 slices. So this is how you will perform your experiment. Okay, my dear students, so we will find different conditions here कि जिसमें जो है वो bread number 1 में rapid growth होगी, bread number 2 में slow growth होगी, और bread number 3 में there may be small growth or may not be any growth for many days. So इस तरीके से हमें पता चलता है कि हमें अपने घर की चीज़ों का जो है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना चाहिए. So my dear students, these will be the conditions that you will find on the bread number 1. This will be on bread number 2, very small, your slow growth of fungus, and the bread number 3 will remain safe without any growth of microbes. So my dear students, perform this experiment at your homes. So for practice, write down the procedure in stepwise manner. आपको जो procedure हमने अभी perform किया है उसको proper steps के अंदर जो है आपको लिखना है. Then write observation and results. You will also write down the observations and results कि आपने क्या observe किया after a few days, तो तब आप इसकी observation लिखेंगे. And write everyday signs also कि daily basis के ऊपर आपको क्या करना चाहिए अपने edibles के साथ. We must keep them safe in refrigerator, properly covered and away from dirty place or the place that has germs, or maybe you feel कि यहाँ पे microbes हो सकते हैं. So for your homework, you will perform this experiment, and the evaluation, how many slices of bread would you take? We will take 3 slices according to the experiment. And where would you place the piece of bread? In the Ziploc bag, and we will place it in a not in the fridge, outside ही हम इनको normal temperature में रखेंगे. What materials are required for the experiment? Ziploc bags, bread, marker. So for your homework, you will do this worksheet. You can download this from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So what you need to do is you will write the procedure along with result and observation of 3 applied condition on the bread in stepwise manner. जो 3 conditions आप note करेंगे अपनी bread के ऊपर after a few days, आप उनको यहाँ अपनी observations को stepwise लिखेंगे. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, that is how you will complete it. So you will do it in your homework and also perform the experiment at your homes with the bread. You can do it in your class also, but do perform it at your homes, and also tell your mother that how fungus grows, that it is also a microbe and it grows mostly on dirty places and places which are very warm. So this is how you will complete it. So my dear students, today we have learned that take care of edible products at your home. These get affected by microorganisms. And in procedure, mark the bags with bread with significant conditions you apply to the bread. So my dear students, in the next lecture, we will discuss about microorganisms, the role of microorganisms as decomposers. I hope you have enjoyed today's experiment. For the next lecture, stay tuned. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.